Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Thisistinuola right here. Today I'm ordering food from Good Food because I don't feel like cooking in the kitchen. So I'm going to try out their food. I keep getting this marketing pamphlets and things like this, 60% off, this off, that off. So I decided to check out their service today. If you guys don't know Good Food, it's an online grocery shop where you can buy groceries from, and they get delivered to you, to your doorstep. You can buy anything groceries like milk, raw food, cooked food, ready to eat meals, meal kits, all of that. You can get it from Good Food. You can do a subscription with them and have food delivered to you every week. Right now they are offering 1 hour delivery service where there are some meals that you can order from them and get it delivered to your doorstep within 1 hour. I think that's cool, and I decided to try them out. And yeah, let's make some order. So this is what the website looks like. If you come to this session, you have options for meal kits, groceries, prepared food, discover. So if you want prepared foods, you can just go and find like jerk chicken. There are a lot of options here. Healthy food, if you're into healthy food. For example, look at this one now, this looks good. Fully cooked barbecue half chicken, $11. And the prices seem quite reasonable, for the cooked food. And then that's for prepared food. Let's check the meal kit. So the meal kit also has a lot of options that looks good. They have different recipes: Mediterranean, Indian recipe, Eastern, the typical Canadian recipes. They have lots of food here. Okay, so let's check out groceries. Let's say you want to just do groceries. I see that they have their own products like packed as their own company, like Good Food Company. I also want to say their website user interface is quite friendly, and I love their designs with, their packaging designs is just beautiful. Just looking at it from the phone, I don't know what it looks like in real life, okay? We're going to order and we'll see what it looks like. Coconut shrimps, I love coconut shrimps. I'm just going to add that to my cart. So they're claiming their stuffs are cheaper here when you buy groceries with them compared to in-store. And I can see that is somewhat true. I'm yet to be fully convinced. Once I see the products in person, then I know that, okay, it's true. But right now, just looking at this item right here, this butter in store is usually more expensive than $3. So if they are selling this for $3, I usually buy this like around $5 in store. So that is very good. All right, guys, let me quickly go over this and select the items I want, order them, and I'll be back. I've added a couple of them to my cart. Oh my gosh, they have canola oil. Okay, that's good. And they have wine. That's cool. If you go to grocery stores, you don't get alcoholic wine. So them having some couple of wine selection that you can choose from, I think that's cool. I keep going back to see what to add to my cart. Anyway, I'm done with everything. I have a total of $126.57, but there's a free delivery, and I have some discount codes, and these are same-day delivery orders, so I'm going to get them today. And at the end of adding everything, all my discount codes and everything, it's now about $70, $69.53. That's it. I'm placing my order right now. While I'm waiting for them, I just quickly want to say that I know I look different in this video. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I'm not on low cut, but now I have a low cut. if you've seen my previous video, then you understand why I'm on low cut. And if you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to the channel. This is Thisistinuola right here, and I share great content, so consider subscribing down below. Thank you.
You able to put a credit onto your account for that item?
The what?
The crinkle fries.
Oh yeah, the fries. Yeah. Oh, I was really looking forward to that. Okay, no problem. You can put a credit. You can just refund my card.
Okay, I will put a refund for $2.90, the value of the item.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Have a great day.
Alright, you too. Bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, so I got a notification around 6:03 p.m. and it says, hello, your good food order has been picked up and is scheduled to be delivered by 6:17 p.m. So that is less than 1 hour delivery, and there is a tracking order link here, so I can check where my order is, basically if it has been delivered or not. So right now I'm tracking my order and I can see how far it is from me. It's about 5 minutes from me at the moment. So I ordered fries and I just got a call from them saying the order for the fries is sold out. So they're going to refund me that. Now my mouth is watering because my food is almost here. Wow, so everything came straight to my doorstep. I didn't even have to go down to pick up the delivery. Once again, that is pretty impressive, the turnaround time. Yeah, let's unbox what we have here. This is a beef roast and it does have the cooking instructions written on it. Got some pork, salmon, green bean and dill salad, baby spinach. This is a pretty decent size. This is what you would get from the stores like Freshco for pretty much the same price or even more expensive. Canola oil, hot pepper. I got some coconut shrimps. I've really missed coconut shrimps and yeah, can't wait to dig into it. Vanilla yogurt, butter. The size of this butter is similar to the one I get from the store. This one is cheaper, about almost $1.50 cheaper. But then once again, the one I get from the store is bigger than this, just a little bit bigger anyway. Yay, I got some pizza crust, cinnamon burger buns. I don't know how to pronounce this, baguette. But yeah, smaller than I thought, but it still works. A bag of yellow potatoes, apple juice. Ooh, this one is actually a lot. Okay, so this is a meal kit for a recipe that I got. Broccoli. Ooh, that looks really good. So I'm gonna make this right now. It came with a free gift as well. Anyway, I'm going to dig into the gift they sent. So this is what it looks like. That tastes good. Alright guys, without further ado, let me go straight into the kitchen to make dinner. I'm really hungry and I can't wait to eat. Alright guys, this is what we have here. We have the broccoli and tomato. We have the porcini gravy, more like mushroom gravy basically. And we have a mashed potato. Lastly, we have our beef right here. Anyway, food is ready. I'm famished and I can't wait to dig into it. This video is my unbiased first time experience with good food and it's been a fantastic experience so far. Yeah, that'll be all for today's video. Let me know what you think down below in the comment box. If you've tried them before, if you have any experience with good food, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. By the way, this video is unsponsored, but good food, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. Bye guys.